Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon. Can I get your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Shravani, ma'am.
Okay, Shravani. Can I know about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm Shravani from Khammam. I did my graduation in the stream of computer science and engineering. I did my diploma in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College. I did my schooling in AGHS Gate Karepalli. As part of my academic, I did my project, a practical attribute based encryption screen and cloud computing. And my short term goal is I want to get a good job in reputed company. Long term goal is I want to place a good position where I can build my career. My hobbies are reading books, watching TV, and browsing internet. Coming to my family, we are five in our family, including me. This is about me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, watching TV, and browsing internet, ma'am.
What are your technical skills?
My technical skills are Java full stack and testing, ma'am, manual testing.
Okay. What is mean by class and object?
Class. Class is a set of instruction date combination of data and method. We call it as class. The syntax of class is class name. And method. Method is a set of instruction defined inside the class and perform some operation on the data. And object. Object is the instance of a class. Once object is created, memory is allocated to the data. We call it as class.
Okay. Abstraction.
Abstraction. Abstraction is a hiding the implementation code and display the essential feature. We call it as the abstraction. The advantage of abstraction is the code security and disadvantage is code complexity. We can achieve the abstraction concept by using the abstract and interface keyword.
Okay. What is polymorphism and its types?
Okay. Polymorphism means poly means many, phism means form. One object can behave differently in different situation. We call it as polymorphism. Is it of two types? Static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism, also known as the compile time polymorphism, we can achieve by using the overloading concept. And dynamic polymorphism, known as the runtime polymorphism, we can achieve through the overriding concept.
Okay. What is exception handling?
Exception handling. Exception handling is a unwanted situation in the application we call as exception handling. Is it of two types? Checked exception and unchecked exception. While during the application we call at the time of compile time we get the exception we call as a checked exception. At the time of runtime we get the exception we call as and unchecked exceptions.
Okay. What are threads?
It is a path of execution between the application and user. We call it as a thread.
Okay. What are strings?
String. String is a predefined class. It is a mutable in nature. It is a non-primitive data type. String is used to store the group of characters. The string object can be created in two ways, by using the literals, by using the new keyword. If we create the object by using the literals, different objects are pointing to same object or not. If the two literals are pointing same object, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. And by using new keyword, if we create the object by using the new keyword, it check the same or not.
What are arrays?
Array. Array is a data structure of data which is used to store the similar kind of data. Array is it of two types, static array and dynamic array. In static array we create the array by giving the size. In dynamic array we create the array by directly giving the values. We call it as dynamic array.
Okay. What are modifiers?
Modifiers are four types: private, public, protected, and default. Private modifiers, it can access only within the class. It cannot be accessed outside of the classes. Public, it can access within the class, within the package, outside the class, and outside the package also. And default is it can access only within the package. It cannot access the outside of the package. If we want to access the outside of the package, we can access through child classes. And protected is it can access only within the classes, within the package. It cannot access outside of the package.
Okay. What are constructors and its types?
Constructor is used to initialize the object. The constructor name same name as the class name. And in constructor there is no return type. Once object is created, memory allocated to the data. And constructor are of two types, parameterized constructor and default constructor. The parameterized constructor, if you are not initialize any parameter, any input parameter, we call it as the default parameter. If you give the input parameters, we call it as the parameterized constructor.
Okay. What is equals to and equals method?
Okay. Equals to is used to compare the whether the objects are pointing to same or not. Dot equals to method is used to content of the object.
Okay. What is collection?
Collection is a interface which is used to store the group of elements into a single entity. We call it is as the collection.
Okay. What are array list?
Array list is a dynamic element which allows the duplicate elements and preserves the insertion order. It implements the random access and null insertion. We call it as the array list.
Okay. Can you write any one program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shravani, what program you are going to write?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to write method overloading program, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And the program?
Yes, ma'am. This is the method overloading program. Method overloading is nothing but a two or more method name has same name but types of parameter and number of parameters are different. Here the demo method in class first we define the demo method. Here also another method we define the demo method. But here the default method, here the parameters were passed here, intakes were passed here. So for execution purpose we need the main method. So we create the one class hello class. In hello class we write the main method, create the object for first. Why? Because these methods are available in first class only. So we create the object for first only.
Okay. What is the output of the program?
The output of the program is 10 m. Why? Because here two methods we are defined, one demo method and here also demo method. But here we are not pass any value. So it does not print here. Here we initialize the one parameter, pass the one parameter. That is the value is 10. So here print the 10.
Okay. Instead of 10, we can take 20 also.
Yes, ma'am. We can take 20 and also we can here we can change the different data types also like int, float, char. Other values also we can take.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Shravani.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.